one guy got the idea and he jumped away.
Yeah. Put some water there and see what they do.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I can. You take the camera.
Okay.
Where should I go? In front of them?
Yeah. See if they go towards it or... Okay, put some on them. Check. It's like they're cool enough now, so they're just jumping. Yes. I reckon they'll like get together again.